What is up, guys? BMX. Let's do this. Hi, Kane.
Hi. I can see their skin.
Say hi to Austin. Say hi.
Hi.
They can't see you. Okay. What are you playing right now? Or what are we playing?
The scooter game.
Scooter.
I don't know what the name is.
Fresh Level. It's BMX, okay?
BMX.
BMX.
Oh, you're getting the job. Whoa. Monster draw. Oh, that was cool.
Okay.
Can
My turn.
Oh, sorry.
Ready?
Ready? Going.
Okay. Come, Willie.
Hello.
Watch this, right?
Hello. Marco. Hello. Marco.
Watch this, ready?
Yay. No. No.
That was epic.
That was epic.
It was epic, but
Wow. Wow,
you
my
played
turn.
already. It's Kane's turn, okay? Okay?
I'm the first one.
Yeah.
And you're the second one.
Yes,
Wow.
that's just
Wow. Wow, I found
Okay,
a little
now.
small town. And I would have. An echo race. Oh.
They can see it better now. Boom.
It didn't scare me.
Oh my.
My turn. Whoa. Now it's time.
I have this.
Whoa.
Kane, you die yet?
Nope.
Come on.
Yeah, I died. I died.
Boom.
Dawson's turn. I already died, Austin. I already died. I was a good job doing it. Oh, you're doing a good job. You're a fast guy. Oh.
Kane, Boston.
It's your turn, Ben. Austin's turn. Well, he killed himself. Let me jump in. Don't work it again.
Hey, Austin. Austin,
What?
do you like that one or the skateboarding one?
It's my turn. It's my turn. I like this one.
This is kind of just like
Ben,
a...
doesn't he like the skateboarding one or does he like this one?
He likes this. Your turn. You died?
Yes.
No!
Sorry. Me too.
Kane, you knocked it over. My iPad's gonna die.
Me.
Okay, guys, so sorry we had to end this video right here, right now.
What he is, huh?
Because it lost his fight.
They said he
My iPad's gonna die. And before we have this episode, I'm gonna show you a little guest.
Yeah, hi,
Ben.
Yeah.
It's the one,
Yeah.
the only, Salty Waves. Hi.
Hey,
How are you?
good,
How are you, cousin?
good.
Okay, guys, subscribe, comment, like.
See you next time.